Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on my channel. So today's recipe is a very healthy salad. We are going to make Sprouted Kala Chana Salad. I love having this because each time you can add different ingredients so that there is no repetition, and it's Kala Chana are so very healthy, especially the sprouted ones. Now in summer we are getting nice raw mangoes, so I thought today I will make it little bit tangier with the addition of raw mango. So shall we proceed?
Sprouted Kala Chana Salad, a very healthy snacking option. For this we'll require sprouted and boiled Kala Chana, 1 tomato, remove the seeds and cut into pieces. Peeled and cut raw mango, about quarter cup or as needed. Lemon, half. Use as required depending on the sourness of the raw mango. Roasted flaxseed powder, half teaspoon. Red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder, quarter teaspoon. Salt as needed. Coriander leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons, finely chopped. List is also shared in the description box. Now take a large mixing bowl. Add all the ingredients. Give them a mix. Here goes the fresh coriander and all the seasonings: salt, chilli powder, cumin powder, flaxseed powder, lemon juice little bit. Give it a nice stir. Mix everything very well. I've added small pieces of mango. If you wish, you can even grate it and add. If you like raw onion, you can even add that finely diced. Check the taste and adjust it according to your preference. A nice and healthy salad is ready. Make and enjoy this protein-rich snack. You can have it at any time of the day. It's really nice and filling. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from the archives. You can check them out as well. See you soon with another interesting recipe.